Yeah, I can see some smiles there. You've got 8 minutes to think what's common between these celebrities. Good morning, one and all, respected teachers and friends. I'm going to present on the topic disaccharides under the guidance of our revered teacher, Subhasri Madam. Our team is actually like a disaccharide, consisting of a speaker, that is me, Chandan Chaudhary, and the other teammates who are Zaid Nasad, Vishwajit Padi, Lagnajit Marwal, MD Kausar Ali, and Aditya Misra. Let me give you an outline. First, we are going to know about the carbohydrates, then their classification. Then we are going to go to the disaccharide formation, its examples, and the clinical significance, and finally, the test for disaccharides. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones or substances that give these on hydrolysis. The general formula of carbohydrates is CnH2ON and the energy content is 4 calories per gram. Sources are rice, wheat, vegetables, etc. Carbohydrates can be classified into monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Today, we are concerned only about disaccharides. Disaccharides are formed by two monosaccharide units with a glycosidic bond between them. A glycosidic bond is a bond between a hemiacetal or hemiketal group with the OH group of a carbon atom of a carbohydrate or a non-carbohydrate. It is formed by the loss of a water molecule. Class 3 enzymes digest disaccharides into their monosaccharide units in a digestive system. Then we go to examples of disaccharide and start with maltose. Maltose is formed by two alpha D glucose molecules with a glycosidic bond of alpha 1,4. So the anomeric carbon of the second glucose is left free. That's why acts as a reducing sugar, forming maltosazone, which gives a sunflower shaped crystal. Maltose is acted upon by maltase enzyme. It is a intermediate substance in starch hydrolysis. The main source of maltose is germinating seeds. Maltose is used in brewing industries. Then we go to lactose or the milk sugar. It is formed by the beta D galactose and beta D glucose, forming a beta 1,4 glycosidic bond between them. Again, here we have the anomeric carbon of glucose free, which makes lactose a reducing sugar. So it gives lactosazone, which is cotton ball shaped. Lactose is hydrolyzed by lactase enzyme. Its main source is milk and dairy products. In some people, lactase enzyme is deficient or low in activity, leading to lactose intolerance, which causes diarrhea and flatulence. These people can take soy milk, cheese, soda, yogurt in place of milk. Next, we go to sucrose. Sucrose is the most abundant disaccharide available as table sugar. It is formed by a bond between alpha D glucose and beta D fructose having alpha 1 and beta 2 bond between them. As the anomeric carbon atoms are used up in the bond formation, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Sucrose is acted upon by invertase enzyme. Its main source is sugarcane and sugar beet. Sucrose is heavily used in the beverage and junk food industry. Excessive intake of sucrose leads to obesity, and in mouth, it leads to dental caries. To avoid these, and for diabetic patients, we have artificial sweeteners, the most popular being sucralose. The others are saccharin and cyclamate. The hydrolysis product of sucrose is known as invert sugar because on hydrolysis its optical rotation changes from dextro to levo. The other disaccharides include trehalose, which has alpha 1,1 glycosidic bond between two glucose molecules. It is used in eye drops. Second is lactulose, which is an artificial disaccharide formed of galactose and fructose. It is used as a laxative and in hepatic encephalopathy. The third is cellobiose, which is beta 1,4 glycosidic bond between two glucose molecules. At last we come to test for disaccharides. All disaccharides give positive results for Mollusk's test. All disaccharides except sucrose and trehalose give positive results for Felling's and Benedict's test. Lactose and maltose can be differentiated by osazone test. Lactosazone is cotton ball shaped while maltosazone is sunflower shaped. That is all for the topic, guys. Next we move to acknowledgement. The whole credit for this seminar goes to three pillars on which it stands. First, the Almighty, who gave us this conducive environment for making it. Second, our teachers, who gave us this opportunity to present and taught us the basics. Third, our team, which showed an amazing coordination. Next, we move to bibliography. Obviously, we started from Subhasri Madam's notes, then move on to different textbooks. Now, every beautiful seminar should end with a beautiful quote. Here it goes. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go for fishing. If you want happiness for a year or two, get a girlfriend. But if you want happiness for a lifetime, do something meaningful for others. Jai Hind. Now, can anyone give me the answer of my first question? Yeah, you? Yeah, lactose intolerance? Yeah. Actually, a few months back, I thought that I was suffering from lactose intolerance. Until I knew that our milkman was very, very nasty. So, yeah, it was a joke. Thank you very much.